flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one.
Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So as you can tell by the title in today's video is just going to be like an unfiltered day in my life. So there's not going to be much editing in this video. So for one, we don't have much planned, but we're about to go pick up my niece, go to Pizza Inn, and then I'm going to take the kids to Five Below because they made really good grades on their report card. So we're just going to get out the house for a little bit and take them to go buy whatever they want. And it is cold outside, y'all. So yeah, if you're interested in watching this video, stay tuned. Alright, so we at Pizza Inn, y'all. So hey, what's that? There's the rest of the crew. So we're about to get us something to eat, and then we're gonna go to Five Below. You leaving me? Yeah. Why? Oh, I had some lotion in the car. Y'all smile.
Hi, y'all. Look at the camera. Say cheese.
Oh, goodness. Okay, guys, we are in Five Below. I'm not getting anything here. I'm just gonna go find me a phone case. Y'all like Stitch? He's $5. You got a Stitch too?
I got one too. I got one too.
Y'all, they have these hot chocolate bombs. And this one is caramel apple hot chocolate bomb. And then you have pumpkin spice. Where did I get this caramel apple? Oh, y'all, look at these socks. They're so cute. I got those right here. So I'm gonna get these. I'm about to go try to find me a phone case.
You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination.
Hey y'all, so we're back from going out today. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Five Below. I didn't get much. I did pick up these socks. They are so cute. So they're purple and white. Well, I guess a lavender color and like white checkered socks. Really, really cute. And then I also picked up this phone case right here. Really pretty. So it's just like a heart phone case. And I picked up some eyeshadow. These are some really pretty colors. So yeah, picked up that. And then I picked up some hair elastics for my braids. And I picked up these two bins right here to put like my perfume and stuff that I have on my dresser. I got black because the room is like brown. The dressers are like brown. So I just got black for now. So yeah, that's all that I got from Five Below. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Like I said, it was just a random like unfiltered day in my life. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.